Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charity and this is my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little different. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm really excited all at the same time. I am going to be doing an unboxing and a taste testing of this right here. This is called the Tokyo Treat Box. If you've never heard of it, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. And also, I just want to mention really quick, I am filming in my bedroom because honestly, ever since I got this box, the cats have been dying to get into it. All three cats are out there in the living room right now sleeping, and I know if I did this in the kitchen, they would be all over everything that's in here and it would be a mess. So I'm hiding in my room just like a mom when she has to hide from her kids to eat snacks. That's what I'm doing because the cats would they'd flip out if they knew that I had this box open and I was eating the food in here. Anyway, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the Tokyo Treat Box. So Tokyo Treat Box is a monthly subscription service. It is filled with Japanese candies and snacks, and there's even a drink in here. And they deliver it right to your door straight from Japan. So I'm gonna be doing this video solo. I'm gonna be tasting all of this all by myself. Bummer. I feel kind of awkward about it, like I should have somebody here trying the snacks out with me. But Alan's at work right now. That's besides the point though, because Alan is a super picky eater and he just didn't want to taste any of it on camera. So I'm doing this by myself. Anyways, let's get started. So I already opened the box and looked through everything, so it's not gonna look as nice as it did when I first got it. Like, they had this packed in here perfectly. Actually, I just remembered I was gonna film this video with my cousin Ryan when he was staying with us last week, but we didn't get a chance to. And he looked through the box and he actually put it all back in there for me. The way I had it before was messy, but when I opened it just now, I was like, man, that looks really nice. He did a good job. Anyways, so I'm gonna have a link down below if you guys wanna check out the Tokyo Treat Box. And you can also search hashtag Tokyo Treat. Look at everything in here. I'm telling y'all, I'm so excited. I haven't tasted anything out of this box yet, and I'm just dying. So let's get started. Okay, so inside the box is some papers that the cats actually chewed up. I'm telling you, they wanted inside here. Okay, so there's like some papers here to different stuff with some coupon codes, and there's a Hello Tokyo Treat family paper here. And this is the little booklet that shows you some influencers with the Tokyo Treat Box, first off. And then there's just all kinds of other stuff in here, but this is the page that has all the information about what I'm gonna be eating. I think I'm gonna start off with this. I really wish I had something that could clean or like cleanse my palate because a lot of this is salty and some is sweet, some is candy, so I don't know. But I'm just gonna start off with this because it was the first thing at the top of the box. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I wish I had scissors because I don't want to mess these little bags up. Everything in here is so cute. Oh my gosh. I should show y'all like a quick shot of everything like before I tear into it. Ah, what was I thinking? Okay, so here is a quick view of everything. All the packaging is adorable. Look, they've even got Pokemon in there. I'm really excited to try these though. They're Peach Parfait Kit Kats. We've even got some Pringles and a drink. So this is what everything looks like before I tear into it. I'm honestly not a picky person at all when it comes to food. Like, I will try mostly anything, but not everything. But yeah, I'm excited to try this stuff. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try is the caramel corn, whatever. Ah! I can't open it. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. Is it pink? This is pink. Okay. This does not taste like any caramel corn or like caramel popcorn or anything that I've ever had. This is actually lightly sweet. And there's a little hint of strawberry. Am I crazy? This is really good. But I better slow down because I have a lot of other things to try. But this It's delicious. You know what? I should try all the sweet stuff first before I get to the salty, because that would just be creepy. Let's go ahead and try this. This is a pudding daifuku. I really probably shouldn't pronounce any of this because I'm going to say it all wrong, and that wouldn't be good. But this is a fluffy marshmallow and a sweet and creamy pudding filling. Pudding filling. Listen, my mouth's watering from that sweet corn I just had. It was so good. Look at this. It's a little marshmallow. I don't even like marshmallows, but this is so good. This tastes like a marshmallow, like, you know, like a marshmallow, but it has this little yellow pudding on the inside. That was so good. Oh, I wish I had more. Alan would have loved that. I just ate the whole thing. I'm sorry, Alan. I love you. Okay. Next up is these little pancake looking things. It's little pancakes with chocolate in the middle. Man, I wish I could have hundreds more of those marshmallows. Those were divine. Alright, this is a little pancake thingy with chocolate inside. This is really good because the pancake isn't overly sweet like a pancake with syrup, but it's like this soft little, it's a soft little pancake thingy with yummy chocolate inside. Oh my gosh. I'm shocked right now. What I've had so far has been awesome, but I am a big sweet eater, so your girl likes sweets. Some of this stuff isn't pictured on here unless I'm just not seeing it. Oh wait, taro beans, crunchy mini crackers. Let's go ahead and try these. This is what it looks like. Look how little. They're little babies. Those are salty. Okay, I'm just gonna roll with it. These are really good. These are really good. I don't even know what that tastes like, but it's salty and I like it. Pretty good. Okay, next up is the little Pokemon treats. Man, Alan's really missing out, I'll tell you that. These look like chocolate, but they're kind of like the little puffy. I think they are chocolate. It kind of tastes like Cocoa Puffs. These are so good. But look at the shape. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm being spoiled right now with all this goodness. So good. Let's go ahead and try a peach Kit Kat really quick, because I think that's all there was of the sweets. We'll see. So this is the little package. I have to save one of these for my cousin Bless because she loves peach stuff. So I hope they're not too good or I'll eat the whole bag. Anyway, look how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so good. This is so good, you guys. Kit Kat Peach Parfait. Oh my gosh. Peach flavored white chocolate. I feel like I'm on Willy Wonka right now. Wow. These are so good. Alright. Alright, what am I doing next? Let's go ahead and try this melon cream soda. I should have put this in the icebox, so it's going to be room temp. But I think I need to wash some of this down. Oh, it smells so good. This is good. Lightly sweetened, little melon. That's pretty yummy. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and open the Pringles next. These are miso cup ramen flavor. I love miso soup and I love ramen, so let's do this. Just a can of Pringles, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. My mouth is like, what are you doing? You just had all that sweet stuff, now you're eating miso flavored Pringles? Oh, good. They don't necessarily taste like miso soup though, but these are good. Tastes like a little cup of noodle. I can taste like all the little seasonings in like a flavor pack. I like that. Oh no, this is melon. Melon Pandora. What have I done? Now I have miso flavor in my mouth. Help. All right. What is this? This looks really cute. Oh, it's a cookie. Okay. A melon flavored cookie? This is good. This is like addictive good. Even after having the miso Pringles, it tastes like a sweet honeydew melon. That was so good. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try this now. I have no clue what this is. Oh, this is the salty and fluffy rice cracker. It's called Baby Kaki Mochi. Oh. These are good. The texture is like pork rinds. That's pretty good. The flavor is like, I don't know how to say the flavor. I'm not good with details like that, but pretty good. Okay, next up is this, which is Texas corn. It says, what happens when Texas meets Japan? These awesome corn treats. Snack down on these light and crunchy treats with the flavor of rich and sweet okonomiyaki sauce. Hello, Texas corn puffs. These are really good. This is all good. What is that flavor? Girl, I like that. All right, so we have 5 snacks left in total to try. Oh, these look like chips. These are actually, oh my gosh. These are kind of like salt and vinegar, but, oh no, I taste it, okay. It's ginger. Red pickled ginger tempura is known as Osaka soul food. These are good because they taste like salt and vinegar when you first put them in your mouth. And then there's a little aftermath of ginger. And that is delicious. We have 4 treats left here. I'm looking at my handy dandy paper. Okay, these are spicy Japanese. I'm gonna skip that for now and move on to some crunchy yakisoba inspired snacks. I don't want to do the spicy because I feel like it would mess up my taste buds too much. But these just look like little crunchy ramen noodles. It's like a crunchy ramen noodle with a little bit of flavor. Okay, next up is Don Don Yaki sauce flavor. Saucy and sweet. Little crackers. Okay. What is that? I know that flavor. These are good. The texture is like a little crouton or something. So good. Let me take a drink of this melon drink before I continue. Honestly, I'm in shock right now that everything tastes as good as it does. Not that I didn't think it would. I just didn't know if I'd be like down for some of these flavors, but everything is delicious. Oh, I forgot about this one. Okay, what was this? This was the spicy one, huh? Let's just go for it. Let's just roll with it. Mmm. These are good. They're like really hard and crunchy. A little bit of that spice is kicking in right now on my tongue. It's good. All right, next up is Ho Ricky German potato flavor sticks. Okay. The cats would definitely be going crazy over all of this. Okay, so this comes in like a little plastic tray. A little breadstick. I don't really taste much with that one. Spicy might have messed me up. German potatoes. I could see it. Okay, it's good, but doesn't have as much flavor as everything else. Okay, this is sweet and spicy. Pork cutlet sauce. Crunchy snack. This is what it looks like. The texture is kind of like a Funyun. I'm getting a little bit of sweet and spicy. You guys, I'm so sad that I didn't have anyone to share all of this with. Where you at, Alan? You should have tried this with me. Everything was so good. I'm gonna be eating on this for like the next hour. I'll probably eat the whole box. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up now. I've done crunched y'all's ears off. Woo! Everything in this Tokyo Treat box was absolutely delicious. I love it all. This was so fun and different and delicious. I loved everything in here. I think I need like 20 more of these boxes and lots more of all of these little treats. So good. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now because I don't have any treats left to try with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. If you're already subscribed, then you already know that I love and appreciate you. And, hold up. If you would like to get your own Tokyo Treat box, I will have Tokyo Treat link down below for you. I hope you check it out. I would love to hear if you guys are gonna try any of this and if you liked any of it. I also think Alan should have totally done this video with me. I think he would have liked a lot of things in here. Everything's so good. Those are so good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop now. I'm gonna close up this box because I really don't need to be eating all of this in one setting, and I would actually like other people to try this, so maybe I will bring this over to my family so they can taste some of it as well. Anyways, I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all these beautiful treats. They were absolutely delicious and I love them all. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye.